Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
There's a duck you gotta know in the town of Hilly. He likes to do things his own way.
Come on, friends, let's seize the day.
Silly duck.
Peking duckling.
This is Wombat, she's real smart.
Look, I made a work of art.
Chumpkins is a techie pig.
Computers, yeah, I like them big.
Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
Check it out, the Hilly pad, the helicopter's really rad.
Let's fly to space.
Seal the sea.
Careful, dude, there's a tree.
Thanks.
Aww.
You guys are awesome. Hilly Hole versus Bumpy Bluffs.
Ah, what a lovely day for a picnic. Just the three of us.
And a blanket full of food.
And ants.
Ants? Oh, who invited them?
I did. We have more than enough food to share. Greetings, ants. Would you like to share some of our favorite foods?
Thanks, Peking. We'd love to. Anyone have dibs on the quiche?
It's all yours, Lorraine.
Thanks.
Peking. Only you would share a picnic with a bunch of ants.
Yes, you've got a good heart, Peking.
We are building a clubhouse here.
I don't think so. We're playing golf here.
What's that?
Sounds like an argument.
Looks like one too. Hey, those are our friends.
Let me take a closer look.
But we always build clubhouses here. This field is part of our town, Hilly Hole.
Sorry, but we always play golf here. This field is part of our town, Bumpy Bluffs.
Wow, they seem sort of angry.
Can I see?
We were here first.
Oh, I don't think so.
They're so small.
You're looking through the wrong end. Try that.
Oh,
I think we better go over there and try to help those guys.
yeah. Ants, do you mind watching the food? You can eat some.
Let me think about that. Sure.
Surprise, surprise.
Maybe you're blocking my shot.
We're building a clubhouse here.
We're playing golf here.
Hi, everybody. We were just enjoying our picnic up on the hill, and we noticed that you're all, well,
Upset.
Angry.
not your usual cheery selves.
No, we're not cheery, Peking, and with good reason. This field is part of Hilly Hole, and we came here to build a clubhouse.
Excuse me, but this field is part of Bumpy Bluffs, and we came here to play golf.
I think Zeus Maps can settle this question. Gladys, please tell us who this field belongs to.
This field does not belong to anyone. It's called Friendly Field. It's for everybody to use. Have a nice day.
You heard Gladys. This field is for everybody.
Everybody? Well, we say it's for golf.
And we say it's for clubhouses.
Don't you think there's a way to work this out?
Work it out how?
I don't know. Take turns?
Flip a turnip.
I have a better idea. We can bring the whole Bumpy Bluffs golf team here today. Then this field will be ours.
Or we could invite the Hilly Hole townsfolk to come and build lots of cute clubhouses. Then the field will be ours.
We'll be back.
And so will we.
Well, I guess we solved that one.
No, I don't think so, Peking.
I'm pretty sure this is just the calm before the storm.
Oh, I don't think so, Jumpkins. I think it'll be bright and sunny all day long.
No, Peking. I mean, I don't think we solved the problem. They said they'd be coming back to finish their argument.
Yeah, with more golfers and builders.
Oh, like those golfers?
All right, this way. Everyone, two.
And those builders?
Come along,
That was fast.
They're all heading for this field.
And they do not look happy.
We, the Bumpy Bluffs golf team, have returned to play golf. We place our golf flags here.
Done. Yay!
We Hilly Hole clubhouse builders have come to build our cute clubhouses. We place our wood here.
Done!
Yay!
This does not look good.
What are we gonna do?
Well, first, I think we should get out of their way.
Let's go back to our picnic site.
Yeah, and make a plan. Whoa!
You ants have been busy.
And I thought I liked to eat.
You throw a great picnic, dudes. Hey, is everything okay down there? Let me check. Uh-oh, it doesn't look good. The golfers from Bumpy Bluffs are starting to play golf.
Let's play some golf.
And the builders from Hilly Hole are starting to build clubhouses.
But golfing and building don't mix.
Why not?
Because someone could get hurt.
Oh no! They're hitting golf balls! And the clubhouses are in the way!
A golf ball hit my cute lighthouse.
A golf ball busted my barn.
Hey, I'm trying to produce clean energy here.
What a mess! The field is too crowded! The golfers can't golf and the builders can't build!
Yeah, and they all sound angry.
Everyone's arguing.
This isn't a golf hole.
My ball would have gone in the hole if not for your Hilly Hole lighthouse.
You golfers better repair my barn. Nobody spins my windmill but me.
There's a lighthouse there. I'm building here.
The golfers want to golf and the builders want to build.
And everyone is upset.
What are we gonna do? Just get them to share the field.
Share the field?
Sure! Just like you shared your lunch with us. There's enough food for everyone, and there's enough field for everyone.
The ants got a point.
Yeah. Maybe the golfers and the builders will share the field.
It's certainly worth a try.
Let's get down there, and fast.
Clubhouses!
Golf!
Clubhouses!
Golf!
Excuse me, friends, animals, countrymen,
Builders and golfers.
builders and golfers. Let's all calm down for a moment and take a deep breath.
Really?
Really? Good. Now, we have an idea for how to solve your problem.
What's your idea, Ducky?
Perhaps you can share this field.
Share the field? How?
Yeah, how exactly would that work?
Gee, I don't know. The ant didn't say.
Well, I've got a windmill to finish.
And I've got a putt to make. But the windmill is in my way.
Hey guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Only if you're thinking about waffles.
No, I'm thinking miniature golf.
Miniature golf? What's that?
Listen, I'll explain. Excuse me, angry builders and golfers? May I borrow your putter, Garth? Just for a moment.
I guess so.
Excuse me, neighbor. Mind if I use your windmill? I promise not to damage it.
Go ahead, dear. Oh, she's such a polite little mole.
I'm a wombat. But never mind that now. There is a game called miniature golf.
Miniature golf?
Yes, and to play it, you hit a golf ball through small lighthouses and windmills, like so. Huh?
Remarkable.
That looks like such fun.
Oh, it is fun. And I suggest you turn this whole field into a miniature golf course that you can all share together.
Wow, what a great idea!
What do you say, folks?
I love that idea.
Yeah, I've heard about miniature golf, and I've always wanted to play.
Me too! Let's get to work and finish the new mini golf course.
We'll help you.
It looks like our work here is done.
Shall we go finish our picnic?
Yeah, all that conflict resolution chit-chat made me hungry.
What?
Ants!
What did you do?
Oh, hi. We thought you weren't coming back.
Well, we're back.
I see. Well, since you shared all your food with us, we're gonna share all our ant food with you.
Ooh, that sounds tasty.
What exactly do ants eat? Dried leaves, tree bark, and tree fungus.
Oh.
How thoughtful.
Looks good to me.
Well, he don't fly and he don't quack. He hangs with a pig and a cute wombat. They like to take a stroll in the town of Hilly Hole. They fly the helicopter, yeah, the suckers on a